What's up guys, I'm from A1 Decoy here, and today we are talking about the award-winning HikMicro Alpex. I've got one mounted up because we've got a price reduction on a few of these products on our website, so we wanted to show you guys what sort of bang for buck you get with these scopes. What I'm not going to do is a full technical review and talk you through all the tech specs. You can do that on the website, we'll have a link below and you can jump in. What we are going to do is show you some real life footage, show you exactly how easy these are to zero, show you the footage, show you what it's like in some low light levels when I head out tonight with it, and have a look at some deer, maybe some foxes, whatever we can find, and give you guys a real picture of exactly what you're getting for under £1,000. These are really good bits of kit, so let's jump in. Right, so I've mounted this Alpex onto my 243. This is my go-to rifle for everything. This is my throw in the truck and do everything rifle, so deer, foxes, you name it. So that was why I thought this Alpex might be really, really useful. Low light conditions, like I said, for deer in the evenings, in the mornings, foxes at night with an IR lamp. This should be bomb-proof. So what we need to do, as I've just chucked this on the rifle, is zero it, clearly. Now you're meant to have a one-shot zero with these scopes, so you should be able to fire a shot. You can then do some magic with the scope, which I'll show you, and then it'll bring you back onto zero with the second shot, which will save you wasting like 12 rounds, which sometimes happens with me when you buy a new load of ammo. So we're going to talk you through the zero now. I'm going to do that, film it through the scope so that you guys can see, and then we're going to take it out tonight and show you some real footage out in the field. Okay, so to zero this scope should be really simple. You just press this menu button here on the side, press and hold to open the menu. Then all you do is scroll through the settings. You've got loads on here, but we're looking for reticle. Yeah, there we go. So you've got zero in profiles on here, which means you can select different kind of calibers, or not so much different calibers, but you can select different ammunitions, a different grain, and then you can swap your barrel out, I suppose, if you had a rifle that could do that. And you could have a zero in profile for a completely different caliber rifle, which would be quite cool. But we're going to reticle. We're going to click on that. And then now all we do is go through these. So we're set on reticle 4. Again, like I said, you can change the reticle type, but we're going to leave that. So we just press the button to, oh, no, we're going to scroll down. There we go. When you press the button, that changes the number. So we'll go back to reticle 4 because I think that looked good. Scroll down, distance is 100. This is a 100-meter range. Type, that is the type, the zeroing type. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 in your settings. Color, again, you can change the color of your reticle, but we don't need to do that for now. Zoom, we're on 1 times, and then all we're going to do is we're going to fire our first round, then we're going to come down and we're going to freeze frame, and then we'll go through the settings again. So let's fire our first round. So we'll take that off. I'm going to zoom in 4 times. There we go. Okay, so rounds going in. I'm going to attempt. I think it looks like we hit there. Okay, so you can see where our round landed, so really close, just there. I drew a box around it. So I'm just going to be a bit pernickety and try and zero it bang on. So, reticle. Zoom in, sorry for my breathing, it's because I just ran up there to have a look where the round was. Okay. Yeah, bingo. Okay, and then we want to be right in the center of that box. And down, down, down. One more, boom. Okay, press and hold, select OK, now we should be bang on. So, last round. Made myself jump there, but looks like we're bang on. Round landed just there. Yay! Okay, so that is the one-shot zero. Took me 3, but it is pretty easy to zero these things. Make sure you bore sight first so you get yourself pretty close, otherwise you'll be miles away and then it's really hard to zero. Now we're going to take this out, show you some low light stuff tonight. We'll see you there. Okay, so I've got a bit of light now so that you can actually see me on the camera. I've got the rifle up, you can see what I mean, they're ploughing the field so there's nothing about. But again, I'll show you the view through the scope so that you can really see, because we've got a lot of land to our front, so we'll just get that up now. So we are recording, you can see the daylight level just broken. And the view through my scope is pretty impressive. Just have a look at the field in front of us. We're on 4x zoom, so that's just, there we go, zoom out a bit so you get a better field of view. There's the plough, there's the tractor. There we go. And there's a new HikMicro Alpex. Well, I appreciate that's a bit of a bummer, guys. Didn't actually get to shoot the rifle, but hopefully you got a good idea of the view in low light conditions and the quality of the image, even at a zoomed in rate. So that was our main thing I wanted to show you guys, some real life footage out in the field in the morning, first light, and for £399 I think these are now, it's an absolute bargain. The value for money you're getting now with these really is impressive. As usual, guys, if you like this video, give us a like, give us a comment with any other videos you want us to make down below, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.